This quick tutorial is to help you submit your first voice activity. When you're going through your course, and remember you're going to always start with your lesson tabs, when you're going through your lessons, you are going to come to a point where you have an assignment that you need to submit in Spanish that says it's a voice activity. It does tell you here that if you go to course information, you will find a link that gives these instructions in written form. You may want to print those out until you get used to them. But until then, you can also just watch this short little video, and it will be very quick and help you get on the right path. What you're going to say is always going to be in the lesson. So you're going to figure out this answer, you're going to write it down, you're going to make sure you practice it, and it's your very best Spanish. And then you need to somehow get it to your teacher. So that's where the assessment comes in. You're going to go under Assessments on the left, click the Assessment tab, and find the voice activity or the assessment that you're going to complete. Here it says 1.00 voice activity. That's what we're going to do today. Again, it does not tell you here what to do. You have to look in the lessons to find that. This is just where you're submitting it. What you're going to do is, first of all, it's always a good idea to write out what you're saying in Spanish, okay? Because if I can understand something that you're saying, I may be able to give you a few more points if I can see that you know how to say it. However, to get any points, you do have to put audio. I do have to hear your voice. So what you're going to do is hit Add Audio, and you will get a pop-up screen that looks something like this. You want to make sure that you hit Allow. After that, the first thing you're going to do is name your voice activity. We're going to name it 100. It doesn't allow you to do periods, so we're just going to do 100, meaning this is voice assessment number 1. Okay, if it was 1.02, you'd write 102, etc. So we want to do, and I want to keep this, and I want to put test behind this just so I can remember that it's a test. After you've named it appropriately, and something that identifies the lesson so you can go back to it later if you need to, you're going to hit Start Recording. This is now where you're going to record your answer. So I would say, Me llamo Señora Ola, soy de Florida. I would give you all the information that asked for, no more than that, just nice and quick. Answer the questions that it says in the lesson, and then you're going to hit Stop Recording. When you're done, after you hit Stop Recording, you can preview it to see if you like what it sounds like. If you don't like it, you can discard it. You don't have to save it, okay? But if you like it, you need to hit Save. Okay, this is where students get kind of messed up because you're not done yet. That just saved your recording, but it's not in your assignment yet. So what you need to do now is click on it, find the one you're trying to submit, click on it, and you need to hit Make Link. You'll get a little message that said sound was added, and now you'll notice, I'm going to close this because we're done. Right here, there's kind of some gibberish here that means nothing to you, but that is what gives me access to your voice activity, so to you saying that activity. So that is what I will click on to listen to your activity. Okay? Make sure, as always, that you hit Submit for Grading. If you do not submit for grading, then I will not get it and I will not be able to grade it. Okay? Submit for grading, and you are all done. You have now submitted your first voice activity. Again, go here to course information if you have any questions. It gives you lots of information, how to do a voice activity, how to do a discussion voice activity, everything that you need to know to be able to complete your course. Thank you.